crud right now. Good morning, guys. It is, what day is it? It's Wednesday?
It's
Tuesday?
Wednesday.
It is Wednesday morning. Why your neck look like that?
Cool. Better. Look how little my bun is. I literally have like no hair. Compared to mine. I know. Look, you can't even see it from this side. It's so little. Mine's just like... Look, look at mine compared to yours.
So, I just finished my French toast, and we just got done. Why are you laughing? Anyways, we just got done taking Instagram photos. I know it probably sounds weird to like a lot of guys out there. Like, she's like disappearing. There she goes. But like that's typically what you do if you're like a YouTuber, Instagrammer, whatever. Her, she has Instagram over there. I'll plug her IG. Where you at? Show it.
Right here.
Right. Point at it again. Where?
Right here.
Right here. That's her Instagram if you guys want to follow her. That's what we're doing right now. French toast, candy. About to go to the gym here soon. Maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm making her go to the gym is what's really happening.
That's bull. Whatever. I made you go to the gym. I don't want to go today. Anyways.
It's supposed to be my off day.
You just admitted it. Well, we were on our way to the gym, and we locked ourselves out of the house and can't find the hide key. So, yeah, this is what's going on.
It's funny watching.
She's good. We're good.
We're good.
We're good. We're ready to go. Go to fitness bars. Never even had this before. I don't know if it's good or not.
Are you done? Right?
I just tripled my views. Okay, so we just got back from the gym. I don't even remember what I was about to say. I don't know how people vlog when they're at the gym because I was trying to film me doing different workouts and it was super embarrassing because everybody was like staring at me, which made it super awkward. So, I mean, it was like 5 o'clock in the evening, so that's probably the busiest time for them to have people. But back at the house now. Papo is over here watching TV. Say hi. No? You can wave? Say hi. He's watching TV. So he's doing that. Megan just went to the store to get chicken, and I'm about to make some tortillas because it is Taco Tuesday. Is it even Tuesday? I don't think it's Tuesday. It's actually Wednesday, but it's still taco day. So we're making tacos today. So yeah. So a lot of you guys ask, what do I do for a living? This is my forklift. I've named her Shaquandra. So yeah, I'm a forklift driver in the daytime, like early morning hours. And then I get home and try to film for you guys, and it can become a really long day. So that's why sometimes it takes a long time for me to film a video for you guys, because I'm literally just always doing something, and YouTube takes like 8 hours to get a full video down, even if it's a 10-minute video. So yeah, at least now you guys know a little piece of what else I do. So this is like, hold on, let me show off my lift. So I know it seems weird that like I'm doing like planks and stuff at work, but basically I don't always have time to go to the gym when I get off of work, and I'm trying to stay motivated by keep working out, but it's hard sometimes. So I have my boss and my supervisor reminding me constantly to drink water, telling me I'm gonna look like a marshmallow peep this summer if I don't. So I'm watching my video that I'm editing right now, and I totally just wanted to say that if my bosses happen to be watching this video, I'm only doing these planks on my 10-minute breaks. So
I make her.
Yeah, 10-minute breaks, I promise. It's not during work hours. I'm tracking my hours, I promise. I'm doing it correctly. Yeah, I'm sticking to that story. So lately my favorite lunches have been these Santa Fe style with chicken from Kroger, and oddly enough, grape and cherry tomatoes. These ones are like the best. These, oh no, these ones. The petite cherry snacking tomatoes are my favorite right now. But grape tomatoes are $1.99, so we will go with grape tomatoes. And that's my lunch and snack. So basically, I have no idea how people do this all the time, because I feel so awkward walking around like with my camera up, just like talking to myself right now, especially like when I was picking out my lunch, and I don't know, it's just awkward. It's different when I do it at home, so props to you guys who vlog all the time. Also, sorry I have to mute a lot of the music. at the club, because if I don't, I'll get demonetized, and that wouldn't be fun for my bank account. And also, in case you guys are wondering, this is the... Are you alright? I'll put it back, I promise! This is also the night that that fight happened at the club that I ended up with a black eye. So, yeah, this is that night. Fun stuff. So now I'm at home, and I don't know about you guys, but I covered this in my Get Ready With Me video. So my friend Stacy cut melon up in the little shape of little hearts because this is like my my Valentine's Day gift. So I don't know about you guys, but I love putting tahini on my fruit. Like I put like a lot. So just as an example to show you guys, I started editing at around 4 o'clock and it's almost 10 p.m. and I'm still editing. So this is a big factor as to why it takes so long to put out videos. And yeah, it's been 5 hours. Like, yeah, this is a long process. It is officially nighttime and it is B's birthday party, so I'm here with everybody. Hi, Papa. Get him. To Rocky, go. Come on. Come on. We're going. Where's my hugs? Thank you, baby. Where's Mommy?
She's ready to go.
She's ready to go? Okay, let me go get ready. Hi, what are we doing these planks? So we just got back from the gym. The gym is, sorry Rocky, the gym's really rough for me right now because I know I didn't, hold on, let me take my shoes off real quick. Hold on. Hey girl. Take my shoes off. I don't like to go over towards the couch if I have my shoes on. So anyway, when I was at work, I think this happened January 31st. So I was at work and I was changing my propane tank and it was like snowing outside. And when I came inside, my feet slipped out from underneath me and I landed knee onto concrete, just one knee, with like a 60 or 65 pound full propane tank in my hands. And ever since then, like, I've been having knee problems. So as far as I know, how did I describe it earlier? What's wrong with my cartilage? It's like not distressed, but I don't know. Basically the cartilage in my knee is jacked up right now. So my kneecap is scraping against my femur and it's making it grind and like it's disgusting. So I can't work out legs right now. So I'm working out arms a lot lately. Arms and back, yeah? Yeah. Arms and back, that's what I've been doing lately. Yeah. So, yeah, that's why my workouts haven't been that great to film. They've been pretty boring. But I basically just didn't want you guys to have an entire vlog of just like muted clips and me cooking with Papo just jumping on me. So, it's gonna be Megan's birthday tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. So, she's got her hair done. She got her eyelashes done. And yeah, she's ready.
I have 402 people have seen that. Do you want to know how many saw this post? 202. This post? 312. This post? 156. 156. Hashtag Game of Thrones.
Gosh, quit posting crap about your dog, Megan. Nobody cares.
I got more likes.
Freaking weirdo. She's like posing while she's filling up her water. God. I don't know how to vlog to strangers. Okay, drip, drip, drip.
My face is all right.
You look great. Look, I'm gonna zoom in. Woo! Look at that beautiful skin. I got your eyeball for like a second.
That's a meoderm.
Ooh, meoderm. Is that from Spa Science?
It is.
I'm like a bird. I want to fly away. Oh, and I don't know how to end my vlogs, so I'm at work right now, and yeah, they make you bring a buddy outside because the geese are vicious. Bye, guys.